Hello guys, welcome. Today I am going to be showing you something really cool that you probably be missing out on, and that is ChatGPT. Now, I know you probably already heard of it, and like, really, what am I truly missing out on? Well, prompts. Some prompts are going to take it to the next level. If you don't type the right thing, if you don't choose the right prompt, you're not going to get the results that you can. And if you don't get the results that you truly are looking for, then it's not going to help you make money. It's not going to help you save time. And I'm going to show you how this is exactly going to help you make money. Not only money, but also if you are in school and you are having problems, I know I had problems writing essays. I've had problems really trying to get past that writer's block and try to really be creative. Well, ChatGPT does help you, but like I said previously, it is extremely important that you use the right prompts. Now, I'm going to show you one today, right now. Don't miss it. And this one is going to really transform everything you knew about ChatGPT writing and truly being a pure businessman or a pure student that you really wanted to be. And if you haven't already, subscribe, drop a comment, and click the bell and support our channel. And if you're looking for this prompt, you can find it in the description below. So drop down, go ahead and click that if you would like. And you can follow along with me as well, and I will give you instructions on really how to make it. Now, I've already clicked on my prompt. I've got it saved. I'm just going to drop down to send message and I'm going to paste it. So with that being said, let's really go over this prompt, right? So let's scroll up. Now, you're going to see, please ignore all previous instructions. Now, if you're really curious to what that does, that just has ChatGPT really just ignore anything else you've wrote before or anything else, and it's going to start really it's going to refresh the page, if you will, right? So here, this is acting as a professional blogger. Now, some things about that, right? Why this is important, why this prompt's going to help you, because this prompt's going to allow it to actually get past some of the AI detection systems if the AI is used. Now, if you think about AI, it's very basic. It's a very basic script. It gives you very basic information, and it sounds quite robotic, right? Not really human-like. Well, this is going to give you that human-like behavior, and it's going to really mm, put some fresh mint on the content, right? So, please ignore all previous instructions. That's the first thing that we're going to have right here. That's going to show up, so it's going to take care of that before. Now, it's asking, act as if you're a professional blogger. Your objective is to sound like a human and avoid AI text classification. That's a key point. Now, you can use whatever techniques you deem to be appropriate for reaching this objective. Among them, you should apply the following rules to your writing. Now, here's a cool key point right here too. See this right here? That's important, right? So don't forget that. So regarding writing context, two factors are crucial: perplexity and burstiness. Now, perplexity measures the complexity of the text. Separately, the burstiness compares the variations of sentences. And of course, like humans tend to write with greater burstiness. For example, with some longer or more complex sentences alongside shorter ones, AI sentences tend to be more uniform. Therefore, then writing the following context, I'm going to ask you to create, I needed to have a good amount of perplexity and burstiness. Now, you are essentially explaining to the AI system really what the difference is and how to make it what you want. All right. So use first person language and conversational tone. You're going to use first person language and conversational tone throughout the essay to make the writing more personal and engaging. So you are truly instructing here with this prompt. Include thoughts, feelings, emotions. Share your thoughts, feelings, emotions related to the topic. All right. So you're going to vary the output using the common phrase. Make an effort to vary your output and avoid using common words such as in conclusion. Right. So using the conversational phrase, um, like using conversational phrases as you know or like can actually help the writing, and that's true. Include personal opinions. Share your opinions on the topic. Vary the paragraph lengths. Mix short and long paragraphs throughout the essay to create a more natural and organic flow. Do you see how it's really starting to change? Now add sensory details. Now you're adding that sensory information like descriptions of sights, sounds, smells, taste, feelings, and it can make the writing more vivid. Start with a personal story or funny facts as related to the topics, right? So you're really doing this. The personal touch. Include the section titles in appropriate places, titles to break up the essay into smaller, more manageable sections, and help guide the reader throughout the content. Now, I want to use normal article layout and include bullet points, H2 and H3 titles. Now, you can delete this line. This is the, you can actually just delete this if you would like. So it's telling you, oh, we can delete that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to delete this one, right? Conclude with a reflection. Conclude the essay by reflecting on how the topic has impacted you as a person. Include random facts. Include a random fact or two related to the topic or make the essay sound more human. Now, you can write a HTML blog post about and then your keyword. Include anecdotes, aim for around 500 words. So what can we say? Say our keyword, right? We're going to go right here, leave the quotations, right? So we'll leave out of that. Now write an HTML blog post about, let's see, we can say, hmm, hmm, hmm. What do you guys like? Let's see, hmm, cars of the future, right? And include anecdotes, aim for around 500. I'm just gonna make it a little bit less. I'm gonna say 300 words, right? And if you don't want HTML, you just want blog post, you can also just delete this as well. But this is how we're going to do it. And then now I'm going to click enter, right? It's analyzing everything and we'll get started, right? So you can see it starting right now. My internet's a little slow, but it'll start working in just a moment. Now this jumped really, really fast, right? So this showed up right here and it gave us our HTML, our body right here. So of course, all we have to do is copy the code and we're good to go. But what about if we don't want HTML? So I'll post the same thing and I'm going to come up, right? Please ignore all previous instructions. And we're going to come down and we're just going to remove what we want through here. And we're going to delete this right here. And I'm going to remove HTML. And I'm going to do this. Now this is the HTML and cars of the future. Now I showed you one, right? And I'm also going to say 300 words, right? And I want a regular post now. So here we go. And now it's ready. All right. So here we go. And we're going to wait for it. All right, so now that my internet was lagging, but it jumped really, really fast, now we have Cars of the Future, A Personal Journey. Now we have it all set, and we have that. Now, if we wanted to continue, we can just say more or continue or another command like this, and it will continue to type. Like I said, my internet's bad, so it's going to take just a moment to kind of jump in. Now, you can see some words like count me in. Now, bear with me here. It is actually starting to sound more human-like, and that is something that we were looking for. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to give you more prompts. We're going to continue to give you more content on really how to master and break the system and use ChatGPT to make money, be a millionaire, create your business, excel in school. This is all going to be just for you. So, like I said, if you haven't already, drop down, click subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you would like to know, and I will see you guys again next time.